Kinetic art finds its roots in the Greek word kinesis, meaning movement. It is a term applied to art that does not merely remain static, but moves or appears to move before the viewer's eyes. This genre encompasses any medium where motion is an integral part of the design and aesthetic. Whether the movement is physical or an optical illusion, it is used to extend the viewer's perspective and challenge the traditional limits of the art object. The earliest examples were often found in canvas paintings that used multidimensional movement to expand the picture plane. Today, the definition has grown to include cinematic motion pictures, solar-powered installations, and animated clockworks. In the world of three-dimensional sculpture, kinetic art often integrates natural elements like air, wind, and water. By making movement the core of the work, those pieces transform the art experience from a static observation into a living, breathing encounter. At Seed Gallery, the Art History and Economics Glossary examines how motion and structure function, not merely as decoration, but as a structural and emotional language. Explore the principles that shape visual perception. Discover more at seedgallerynewyork.com.